Welcome to another small tutorial of TwinSimulate. In the video, we will focus on creating a diagram and see how we can generate standalone applications and also run them to observe results. Let's build a very simple diagram where we have a sine wave block connected to a print block. This diagram would generate sine values of the desired frequency and then send them out to a console. To make it interesting, let's try to configure the diagram to run in real time on Windows using the WinSimRT target. One can look at the generated code using the View Code option. The generated code shows the functions related to each block nicely organized with parameters also nicely captured, and provides the makefile and all necessary files if the user wants to modify and later build and generate executable from the diagram. One can navigate to the directory where the diagram generates code, and then run the makefile and also run the executable generated in the output directory of the diagram chosen by the user. Let's see how it works. First, let's try to run the make command. In this case, the make does nothing as the code was already compiled by TwinSimulate and there is no change in the generated code. Once make completes to run the executable produced, we use the -F option and pass a final time so that the executable runs to the specified time. Here it is 10 seconds. Now, as we can see when we run the executable, the diagram does produce the sine values and prints them out complying to the real-time settings that we asked for when creating the diagram. Thanks for watching this video.